In order to fix mobile data network problems on the Motorola Moto G56, first of all we need to open settings. Next we're gonna go to network and internet, and the first thing that you want to check is the airplane mode, because if it's enabled then obviously mobile data is deactivated. So if the airplane mode is even by accident enabled, then we need to remember that we need to turn it off. Go to mobile data and make sure that use mobile data option is activated, of course. Another thing is that if you use more than one SIM, then make sure that the correct SIM card is used. If you have just one SIM card, then obviously there is nothing really to check over here. You might also check if there is any data limit set up, because this can also be the reason why the mobile data is not working, or maybe even the data saver. So if you use these options, you can turn them off, at least for now, in order to see if that helps. By the way, even if the mobile data option is enabled, you can just simply turn off and turn back on, because sometimes this simple task also helps. Now, besides that, we're gonna go to SIMs and mobile network and make sure that your SIM card is enabled. We can also tap on the SIM card itself in order to find the details and additional options. And what you can do is, for example, check if the 5G connection is used. I know that in theory you don't really have to use 5G connection in order to use mobile data, but for the sake of testing, of course, you want to switch from, for example, LTE. If you actually use LTE, you want to switch from that to 5G just for now in order to see if it works. And besides that, what you can also do is go to data roaming, and essentially roaming is used to have access to the internet outside of your country. And what you want to do is use national network to check if that helps. That is, of course, if the data roaming is completely disabled. If you have this option already set to national network, then you don't have to change anything. But if it's completely disabled, switch to national network and check if it works, just for now, once again. Now, unfortunately, if none of this helps, then the last thing that you can do is we can go back to settings. Now, over here we're gonna scroll all the way down and go to system, open reset options, and then you want to reset mobile network settings. If you have more than one SIM, you might have an option that allows you to choose which SIM card you want to reset. So select the proper SIM card that you actually want to reset, and then confirm your choice by pressing this button, enter the screen lock password, proceed, and then press this button again. And hopefully this solves all your issues. And that's all we can do. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.